Hello friends, myself Ravi and today's my topic is instantiation and inheritance. Today's date 8th of the August 2022. So before starting, we will talk about difference between instantiation and inheritance. So first, instantiation. It is a process in which we create object of a class. When we create an object of a class, that object is called instance object, and that process is called instantiation. In other hand, inheritance, it is a process in which we create another new derived or child class from existing class or predefined class, in which the child class inherit the properties of parent class or the already defined class. That process is called inheritance. So we can say both processes can be combined at some stages. Like we can say when we inherit class B from class A, the class B can access the properties of class A. So when we create object of class B, okay, in this process the instantiation is that process is instantiation, in which the instance of class B is created, that is object of class B is created. The object of class B inherit the properties of class A as well as class B. So that process is a combination of inheritance and we can say instantiation. When we call the properties, suppose class A consists three methods, that is M1, M2 and M3, and class B consists two methods, that is M4 and M5, and creating only single object of class B, we can access the properties of both the class, that is we can access M1, M2, M3 methods, that is of class A. In other hand, we can access methods of M2 and method of class B, that is M4 and M5. The relation between the child and parent is shown due to shown from the keyword, that is extend. So the syntax is like that. When we create class A, that is class A, simple syntax. But when we derive or create the child class, we have to write class B, extend class A, means extend keyword shows that the class B inherit the properties of class A. The process of how we can say how the object of class B inherit the properties of class A. Suppose or in we can say when we compile, we create an object, that is class B obj, that is object equals to new keyword. It is used to create or provide dynamic memory allocation to object, and after that the constructor call. When the constructor is called, it moves to the constructor of the class. If there is already constructor, so it will go to that constructor. If there is no constructor in the class B, so it will go to default constructor. In default constructor, it will first go to class A constructor. Call the constructor of class A. How? We can say how, because there is a keyword, use super. Super keyword shows that using super keyword we can go to or access the properties of access the class members, parent members. So using super keyword, the control move to parent class, and it will first include the properties of or include the initialize or include the properties of class A. After that, it will include the properties of class B. After that, call will come to at the place where the constructor is called at initially starting when the object is created. And we know that in Java, the value which is written in the right hand side will assign to the value of left hand side between equals to. So the constructor will provide the address of class A and class B variables and method, and it will assign to the object which object that is of class B. So that object can access the properties of both the classes, that is class A and class B. Using this is the using this we can show the relation between the parent and child also, and the instantiation process is also done in there, because the object is created, that is instance is created. So I think I have explained about instantiation and inheritance. So I like to stop here. Thank you.